In this tutorial, I will show you how to install Google Tag Manager on Shopify store. First, we will create a Google Tag Manager account. So visit tagmanager.google.com. Now let's get started. Create a Google Tag Manager account for our Shopify store. Click this Create Account button here. And here enter your Shopify store name or anything you want to write here. Now you can select the country where is your business located. We selected the USA because our business is based in the US market. If your data is shared with Google, you can check this box or either you can leave it. Container setup. Now you can create your Google Tag Manager container name. Here you want to choose the name of your actual Shopify store. Copy your Shopify store link. Copy your Shopify website link without HTTPS and now paste it here. And after that you want to choose the target platform. In our case we want to look out only web container and select web. Now click create button here. Now select this checkbox here and click yes button here. Wait for a few seconds to create this account. Now ready for Google Tag Manager account. Now ready for Google Tag Manager account for install on Shopify. So we are going to log in the Shopify store dashboard of our Shopify website. We are going to be on your admin screen here. Right now I am on the home screen. So what we are going to click the left sidebar menu, online store link, and ensure select theme option. We want to go to our current theme. Click this three dot option. Now click edit code. After clicking edit code, select theme.liquid file. Now go back to our Google Tag Manager account. Copy this first code and paste it under our opening head tag. We recommend you paste this after meta tag ends. So press enter here and paste it now. That's it. Now going back to our Google Tag Manager account, copy this second code. Now back to our website dashboard. Press Ctrl F. And this section will open up down here and then find you just write body tag. Enter here. There is successfully found opening the body tag here. Now paste it under opening body tag. We recommend here we can paste our second code. That's all we have to do. Then we go over the right section and we can click on the save button for now. After save, we can click exit button here. Now we will check our Google Tag Manager and Shopify are installed properly. For that first we need to install Chrome extension. Search Tag Assistant Legacy. Click and open first link here. Now click add to Chrome button. Click add extension. Now successfully install this extension. Click this extension icon. Pin this tag assistant extension here. Now go back to our Shopify website. Click this eye icon here and open our website URL. Click this tag assistant extension. Click done and enable this option. Now reload our website. Click again this extension here. Now we found a Google Tag Manager ID. That means our Google Tag Manager install on our Shopify website perfectly works. That's it. Thanks for watching this tutorial. If you have any queries about how to install Google Tag Manager on Shopify, please write on the comment section.